Hello, I'm Mugdha Soman. I'm based here in Pune city. Currently, I'm working with Cummins since last 6.5 years. I work as a product design engineer, technical specialist. I was looking for some opportunity which will give me, exposure to brush up my basics and to be able to solve the more complex problems. I was looking for some program which will help me to grow in my career. With the help of my leadership team, I got opportunity to get connected with BITS Pilani for Masters in Automotive Engineering program. So a dedicated 2 years course, WILP course, helped me to go into the depth of various topics like advances in materials and composites, and then IC engines, the study of tribology. These subjects study in the detail helped me in my day-to-day work on ongoing projects. As a final year project, I performed a non-linear analysis with a finite element tool, which was to predict the press fit behavior of a component. After having a disconnect of many years from academics, I was earlier getting worried how I would cope up with this program. But as the program started with the lectures delivery at our own campus and very knowledgeable professors, there were also opportunity to have these lectures in online mode, which was helping me to go through those topics again and again for the critical topics. Instead, we got opportunity to visit our campus at Hyderabad. This campus immersion was very helpful to bring the correlation basically between the simulations we perform and its linking at actual testing. There were multiple group activities that we had at campus, and it was a dedicated 1 week's program which helped to have the learning more effectively with my other team members. So we also had a good opportunity to access the lab related tools as an online mode, which gave us opportunity to even access those from my base location. Overall, I had a very good experience with this M.Tech in Automotive Engineering program. I'm very thankful for my Cummins leadership for giving me this opportunity to expand my educational background without having any break in my career. This program has brought a very good impact on my career path, and I will recommend this program for my other peers and team members, which will definitely bring a good change in their career paths as well.